Welcome to the introduction of LantechView, the network management software from Lantech. Designed for efficiency and reliability, LantechView offers advanced tools to streamline operations and optimize your network infrastructure. LantechView features a highly intuitive graphical user interface and dashboard, making complex tasks simple and accessible. With visually appealing charts and multi-language support, it enables users of all skill levels to analyze data and make informed decisions with ease. LantechView also supports interactive API integration, enabling rapid data exchanges and efficient network management. This capability significantly boosts operational speed and ensures seamless interactions across platforms. LantechView empowers administrators with batch management capabilities. Easily import and export configurations for multiple devices simultaneously, ensuring consistency across your network. Additionally, the batch firmware upgrade feature allows you to update multiple routers and switches in a single operation, reducing downtime and minimizing manual effort. Take control of routine maintenance with LantechView's powerful scheduling capabilities. Plan device reboots, firmware upgrades, and configuration backups to occur at optimal times. This automation not only minimizes disruptions but also ensures your network is always up to date and running smoothly. LantechView can be installed as a virtual machine within VirtualBox, offering unmatched flexibility for diverse network environments. With this setup, no dedicated server is required, reducing hardware costs and simplifying deployment. Stay ahead of potential issues with real-time alerts and warnings. LantechView categorizes logs by severity, helping you prioritize critical events efficiently. The notification system allows users to select from predefined event options, ensuring that you stay informed about the activities that matter most to your network. LantechView's Snapshot export function provides detailed insights into device configurations and system health. These snapshots streamline troubleshooting by enabling engineers to quickly identify and resolve issues. To meet diverse network management needs, Lantech offers two versions of this software, LantechView and LantechView Lite. While both versions support essential features like device auto-discovery and configuration management, LantechView provides advanced capabilities such as real-time dashboards, logs categorization and scheduling functions, making it the ideal choice for larger and more complex networks. With its intuitive GUI and dashboard, robust batch management, and intelligent scheduling features, LantechView is the ideal solution for efficient network management. Simplify your operations and elevate your network's performance with LantechView today.